Okay, here's where your vocabulary is. The first word is utensils.
Utensils. Utensils are tools we use to cook or eat something. They used forks because these were the best utensils for eating pieces of watermelon. What kind of utensils would you use to stir soup? Utensils. They used forks because these were the best utensils for eating pieces of watermelon.
The question is, what kind of utensils would you use to stir soup? On your paper, I would like for you to draw a picture of what kind of utensil you would use to stir soup. And copy the word utensils down on your paper.
Uniform. A uniform is special clothing that workers wear on their jobs. The baker wears a white uniform with a hat. What kind of uniform would you like to wear? Why?
Okay, next we're going to click on an example of a baker's uniform.
A uniform is special clothing that workers wear on their jobs. Uniform. The baker wears a white uniform with a hat.
So let's draw a picture of the baker's hat and his uniform on your paper. Our next word is equipment.
Equipment. Equipment is special tools that someone uses to do a job. The gardener's equipment includes a shovel and a watering can. What kind of equipment does the art teacher use?
So let's go to the example where they have a picture of the gardener using his equipment.
Equipment. The gardener's equipment includes a shovel and a watering can.
So what I would like for you to do on your paper is draw a picture of the gardener's equipment. There are two things that the gardener uses. Listen carefully once again.
Equipment. The gardener's equipment includes a shovel and a watering can.
Please draw a picture of what a gardener's equipment is, as well as write the word equipment on your paper. Our next word is expect.
Expect. If you think something will happen, you expect it. I expect that we will read a new book today. What do you expect to do the next time you go to the playground?
Now we will look at an example of the word expect.
Expect. I expect that we will read a new book today.
So let's see if we can answer the question, which is, what do you expect to do the next time you go to the playground? Draw a picture of what you would expect to do the next time you go to the playground. Also, I would like for you to draw a picture of yourself as well as someone else in the picture. Please make sure that you copy the word expect on your paper.
Remained. Something that remained in a place stayed there. The baby kangaroo remained in its mother's pouch for a long time. Who remained at home today instead of coming to school?
So now let's look at a visual example of the word remained.
Remained. The baby kangaroo remained in its mother's pouch for a long time.
So let's go back to the question that asks us about the word remained. The question is, who remained at home today instead of coming to school? On your paper, you can draw a picture as well as one of the students, one of your friends that remained at home instead of coming to school. Be sure to also copy the word remained on your paper.
You. This is the word you. Say it with me. You. How do you feel, Dot? The word you is spelled Y-O-U. Spell it with me. Let's write the word in the air as we say each letter. Y-O-U.
Okay, let's look at an example of using the word you.
You. How do you feel, Dot?
So if someone is speaking to you, they're not talking to themselves, they're directly talking to you. And we saw an example of this. So the question is, let's go back. Let's write the word in the air as we say each letter. Put your pencil down and get ready. Y-O-U. Now that you have practiced writing it in the air, let's say you practice a few more times. Y-O-U. And let's see you practice once more in the air. Now that you have practiced the word you in the air, Ms. Jones would like for you to copy the word you on your paper, and also I would like for you to copy the sentence that's here. How do you feel, Dot? Keep in mind there's a question mark here. So the only thing I want you to do at this time is copy the sentence that I am hovering over now, which is, how do you feel, Dot? Be sure to add the punctuation. Be sure to add capitalization at the beginning of the sentence on your paper.